Welcome! In this video lecture, I will introduce you to concept mapping and walk you through the steps to generate your own concept maps. By the end of the video, you should be able to make sense of the maps that are generated by others, as well as to make your own simple concept maps. Let's get started. Now, as we do this, we're actually going to organize our thoughts and information using a concept map, which is just a way of organizing ideas. How it works is that your big ideas, these are usually nouns of some sort, those are going to go inside circles or ovals or boxes. In this exercise, we'll be using ovals. And then you'll have multiple ovals, all with different ideas, and you'll draw lines between those ovals that represent the relationship between the ideas. And so on the lines, you'll be writing out what the relationship between the two different ideas is. Let's look at an example. We could say that UIndy, that's our big idea, is a place for learning. So in this example, both UIndy and learning are the ideas. Now, most concept maps have one sort of big grand idea with other ideas verging off of that. So in this example, we'll say that UIndy is the great big idea, and then learning is something that relates to UIndy. On the line there, we've drawn the connection. So it says UIndy is a place for learning, and it reads a lot like a sentence. We could take this a step further, and we could say UIndy is a place for learning about science, or we could say UIndy is a place for learning about business, UIndy is a place for learning about nursing. There's really all sorts of different options here that we could try out. We could also organize some other thoughts about UIndy other than just learning. For example, we could say that UIndy has a lot of great sports, or UIndy has a lot of great campus activities, or UIndy has a lot of great people. I'm going to say UIndy has a lot of great faculty. And after I do that, I could either draw more ideas, add more new ideas to the page. For example, I could say UIndy has a lot of great faculty who are eager to help students, or who are very well educated in their content areas. The other option is that I could draw a connecting line to an idea already on the page. For example, I could say UIndy has a lot of great faculty who care deeply about student learning. Now I've related faculty to learning via a line between them, and I've written out the relationship between those two ideas or two concepts on the line that goes between them. And I did go ahead and add an arrow here just to make it clear which way to read the sentence, okay? So UIndy has a lot of great faculty who care deeply about student learning. All right, so just to sort of recap, a concept map, which is you'll also sometimes hear called a concept sketch, puts ideas inside of boxes and then uses lines to describe the relationships between those ideas. This concludes this video lecture on concept mapping. Concept mapping is an important skill that we will be utilizing to organize our ideas throughout the course. Hopefully, at this point, you understand both how to read and how to create these maps. For practice, go ahead and expand on our UIndy concept map by adding at least another 4 ideas. Have fun!